Are you gonna go to sleep? Courtney, I don't think it's very comfortable.
Mom, your wheeze is so good.
You want pillow? You want pillow?
Yeah, well, I'll grab her a pillow.
Want pillow?